2, 3.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anissa, aka Love Anissa. If you're new, make sure you subscribe down below, and if you're not, hey girl, what's up? So we're just gonna jump right in. So I already did my eyebrows, and so now I'm going ahead and doing my foundation. I basically just took the foundation, and I'm gonna make sure I put a picture on the screen so you can know what foundation I did. But yeah, so I just take my blender brush that I got from, I think I got this set from TJ Maxx, and I just go under the eyes because this is a mask edition since we have to wear masks now. So I just do the top half of my face, you know, because that's the important part. That's what's going to show, and you know, just keeps those pores from getting clogged on your chin, because that's where my trouble area is, as you can see. So yep, here it is. I use the Insta Bake. So now I'm going in with my Makeup Plush mascara. Um, I use this all the time. This is the mascara that works better for me. Another mascara that works really good for me is, I think it's by Mary Kay, but I haven't been able to find it. But hopefully soon I'll be able to get that back, because that made my lashes pop. So yeah, and it just looks like that. I'm pretty sure y'all seen it around your local TJ Maxx, Walmart, everything, child. So now I'm gonna get my lashes out that I got from my local TJ Maxx. I don't know what they're called. Maybe I'll put it on the screen if I do find it. But as you see, I take my scissors, my glue, and my tweezers. And so right now I'm just looking to see like how I want to do them. And I don't know if you guys do this, but I go ahead and I cut the sides of the like, you know how there's like extra on the lash, like on the side. Yeah, I just go ahead and cut that off, because obviously my eyes aren't that long or wide or big or anything. So I make sure I cut that off just so it'll give it a clean, nice look. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the other side. So with these lashes, for this look, I did decide to double them, like double the lashes on top of each other. Like, so I used basically 4 lashes in total. I saw Tiana Monet do it. If you guys don't know who she is, you can look up her name. Is on YouTube. I did see her do this method, and I thought it was really cute, you know, just for certain occasions. So I went ahead and did that. Um, I'm not sure if you guys can tell in that clip, but you'll see that they're a lot thicker. So yeah, I just went ahead and put my glue on, and now I'm gonna apply the lashes. I learned to apply my lashes from Ashley D Beauty on YouTube as well. Um, I learned this method a long time ago. So you basically just put it in the middle first, and then you connect the sides to last. And I find this to be the most effective method. It just works for me. I can't do it with my hands. It just turns out to be a disaster all the time. But yeah. you guys like my transition? Yeah, I thought it was really cute too. But I'm about to go back in with my Mega Plus just so I can blend in my lashes with the lashes. I find that to be very important just because if you have lashes like me, my lashes tend to get inside my eyes and it's very annoying. So I just make sure I get, and also, you know, the shape of some lashes aren't really how I want them. I like my lashes like very dramatic and like pushed up and not like, you know, kind of down. I know I probably have to get another type of lash, but until we get some shmoney, then we just gotta deal with the TJ Maxx lashes when you get a million for $7. Okay, okay. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply my Mega Plus to both eyes and go ahead and blend that in. So last but certainly not least, I'm going to use my ColourPop Give It To Me Straight palette. I've had this palette for years and it still works great. This is probably the only palette that I use. But I really like the colors and I really like how they look on my skin. So I'm going to go ahead in with this dark color. I can't really see, I think it's called Frank or something like that. So, yeah, but it just enhances. You probably don't really see how it enhances on here, but I mean, I can see it. It makes it more smooth transition on your eye. Like, I just really like the way it looks. It looks very, very natural. And, you know, if I'm doing a glamorous look, then I'll probably do like a shimmer or whatever. But this is like an everyday makeup routine. Um, so I just go ahead and do that color, and then I think it looks really cute. So now I'm going to take that brush again that I used to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to use some leftover foundation on there just to rub on my eye like above, you know, just to give it so the lines aren't so harsh. I'm not going to do no highlighter, no extra stuff like that. So this is how the makeup turned out. Mindful now, this is a mask edition. So I just did the top part. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be tuning into my next videos. Bye.